Oh, there we go. That's a fish.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I think he. Oh, he's still there.
Does that feel good?
Yeah, that's a good one. Come on.
That's a bigger fish than we're going to just finesse the head.
Well,
He's pulling. Yeah, that might be a better fish.
got a little stank on him.
Right. Oh, hold on. Yeah, that's a good one.
It's a good rainbow.
That's a good one, though. Healthy rainbow.
Damn. Guy's pretty. That's a better one than this morning.
Oh, yeah,
Damn. He was chasing the bait. Wow. That's a great one. Probably. Take a picture, couple pictures of it real quick.
That's a pretty bow.
Yeah, it is.
All sheeped up.
Damn.
Before you let him go, if you don't mind, I'm going to take
Yeah,
a picture.
100%. Well, this is different than Nebraska fish, so they're a lot prettier. That's for sure. So, if you're ever up near Anchorage or we're at Wasilla,
Big lake area.
yeah,
Nice. Keep the ball going.
cool. Dead stick ice fishing. Oh, don't do that. There you go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, he was chasing that bait.
Yeah, that was great. Rainbows don't really get much terribly bigger than that, right?
The river ones can get pretty dang big. Like when you go start getting to like Bristol Bay and
Yeah.
all those places, that's where people go for like trophy rainbows, and you can catch 30-inch rainbows. Yeah, they get look insane.
Ooh, I don't know much about anything.